how do you make money in the tax sales? We've explained it to you, and we're gonna show you. These are some pictures, and we have other pictures here, okay? That tax lien. When you buy the lien on the property, you're gonna get an interest rate, depending on the state. At a premium, they're down interest rates, some is gonna be rotation. We haven't got through any of that at all. We haven't gone through rotation, we haven't gone through seal bid, we haven't done any of that. We haven't gone over the counter, which are the leftovers. We haven't done any of that stuff here.
That's part two.
That's part two. Okay, that's part two, okay. Tax deed income, tax lien. You buy the lien, you get an interest rate, right? You get an interest rate. If they don't pay, you foreclose on the property. You own the property. Okay? California, buy a tax deed. Buy it at the auction, buy it before the auction. You buy it before the auction, you gotta buy it from the owner. Buy it at the auction, you got all these counties. Anybody here of Lake County? Anybody know what Lake County is?
Big here.
Huh?
Big here.
No, Lake County,
Northern California.
Northern California. Okay?
Where's that by?
Is it near Napa?
Reading.
Yeah, it's really up there. Butte County?
Monterey.
Or Butte County?
No, not Monterey.
No, okay. Butte County?
San Jose.
It's not on the
Reading.
coast.
No, it's not on the
Not,
coast.
it's more inland.
You know,
North of Sacramento.
All right.
Reading.
Yeah.
about
Oh, by
them?
Reading.
Anything familiar about them? About
So the thing here I tell people is, do we know how many counties are in California?
them?
I don't know, Google, we can find out. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah.
But do we know where all the counties are located? Do you know when the auction is gonna be held? Most people don't. Most people think of LA County, Orange County, San Bernardino, Riverside County. You got all these other counties. You can bid. If you wanna stay in California, you can stay in California. Buy a house for $10,000 in California. It's gonna be up north. It is gonna be up north. Okay, if you wanna stay in California, you can. It's totally up to you. You can buy it for $100,000. You know, Lancaster, when they have the auction, look at Lancaster, Palmdale. They get a property over there for $100 grand. On the situation. So,